Mommy.
Huh?
Teeth hurts.
Your teeth hurt?
Yes. Backs. Healthy backs. Healthy. Yeah, Mommy. Please, Mommy.
Sit down, sweetie.
Okay. Mommy, Daddy is coming. Daddy coming, Mommy.
Here we go.
Yeah, close. And am I gonna close the door? Nika, come in mine and I can close the door. Mommy. Daddy, come. Mommy. Mommy, I want to make a house with.
You can make a house. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, and I need some windows. Mommy. Silly Nika. Salmon, Baba. Baba. Baba, Mommy, that part of my foot makes us this.
Wow, the vapor chain.
Yeah. Baba, tina paper canes in Greek.
Co?
Paper cane pwyna a
Paper chain.
Bye, bye.
Prikos.
That means rings. Is that
Nothing.
rain?
Yeah.
I think I can hear rain.
Baba, kita in a talawa behind you.
Oh no, with that chair's gonna break.
Right, Baba.
I pappa se la ligane?
Bye, na papa tisa.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Anna, bye.
Hello everyone, good morning. I've got my mask on.
Yes.
I really wanted to do this last night
Yes.
and I just didn't have time because I was up. I was up till late editing today's video. So I'm just going to show you what it is. Oh.
Buona tutto.
It is the Body Shop Chinese ginseng and rice clarifying polishing mask. The kids are very excited today. My sister sent this to me to try. So I'm trying it because I couldn't wait anymore. So you got to leave it on for 5 to
even more closer.
You got to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off and I'll let you know. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do. I don't know what a polishing mask does. But it smells amazing and it felt so nice on my skin.
Nika, if you want to
And it almost feels...
Sit on here.
It almost feels
Yeah.
like I've exfoliated...
Slide.
Oh, Bella! It almost feels like I've exfoliated my face, so I presume a polishing mask is supposed to do like light abrasion, sort of polish your face. But I'll have to speak to my sister and check back with you. Yes? Come and show everyone your mask. Bella's got some on too. Look. We're gonna leave it on for 5 minutes and then we're gonna go wash it off, okay?
Okay. Kiss.
Face masky kiss.
Mommy, can we play on your phone?
No, not now. Later. Go and play with Daddy. Coffee time. Hang on. Wait for Mummy to put you in then. Because I got my shoes on. Wait a minute. 1. Wow! Hey guys, so I'm sorry I haven't vlogged all morning, but Alex wasn't feeling very well. He still doesn't feel very well. He hasn't been sick or anything, but he just feels under the weather and he's got weird sensations in his hands and feet. So he's just been relaxing on the sofa with the kids. So I hope you can hear me over the kids. So yeah, they've basically been inside in that room with Daddy watching stuff all morning. Like Nico's been playing as well, but but Bella is always just glued to the screen. So yeah, I put lunch on. We're having a beef and carrot and celery soup. I know we had soup yesterday, but that was chicken. We're having beef soup today. We had some beef that we had to use up. And in Greece, when your husband is ill, you are supposed to make them a soup. Oh, let's do a video, whole other video about expectations of Greek daughter-in-laws that marry into a Greek family. Anyone who is one will totally know what I'm on about. Anyway, so I've just brought the kids out here. It hasn't stopped raining all day. Quite heavy rain as well, so we can't go anywhere. So, yeah, their food's ready. It's turned off and cooling down, so I thought I'd bring them out here for 15 minutes just to have them run around and bounce. So they'll hopefully then sit down and eat their food. Oh, in a minute, darling. I've got to check these clothes.
Follow me, superhero.
What happened, darling? Are you okay?
We're superheroes.
Oh, so do-do-do-do. We're superheroes. I don't know where that's from. Wow, look at you two. So much energy. I don't think they're going to need a nap today.
No, number one, a superhero.
Oh, can we see your food? What have you got to eat? Carrot. And? No, not your jump. Your bib is here. Are you going to wear it?
No.
No. You're just going to make more washing for Mummy, huh?
No.
Is it nice food?
Yeah.
Good. No.
Is gay.
I'll take you to the place. But you won't need to look for Tarzan. He'll find you.
Wow.
Hey guys, so it's 3 o'clock. Nico's fallen asleep with Alex on the sofa. So Bella's just chilling there whilst I do some work. So I need to start editing the video so I don't have to do it all in one block tonight because it's too much. So hopefully I'll be able to get at least half an hour now, and then that'll save me a bit of time later. Hello, so I got in 45 minutes of editing and made the thumbnail for tonight's picture, so that's ready to go and schedule, so I don't have to worry about tonight. So hopefully this evening I can finish the video and yeah, I know tonight's ready, so
To stand by itself and the flag to see us.
cheese toast. Oops. Is it yummy? Hey guys, so I was just editing this video and realised I did an outro again. And I'm really annoyed because I just said everything I'm about to say with my iPhone and transferred it, went to add it into the file, and the audio hadn't picked up. It is so quiet, I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm telling you again with my camera. Yeah, so it's 2 days later and I need to say that I haven't vlogged the last 2 days. So what happened on the rest of the day of this video is Alex's dad came over in the evening to take Alex to the doctors because he hadn't been feeling right all day and his dad was worried. So he took him to the doctors to have just a check, and he had a really high blood pressure reading of 170/10, which is, I didn't realise at the time, but really dangerously high. So he gave him the medication that he had in his office, which Alex took, and he gave him another pill and said, you'll take your reading again tomorrow, and if it is still high, you'll need to take it again because on the weekend everything's closed over here. So yeah, anyway, the doctor told him he has to take it easy, and on Monday, which is now tomorrow, we're going to go and take him to get some blood tests done and just a bit of an MOT of his heart and everything, just to be sure that there's nothing serious going on. But yeah, he's, since that day, which was 2 days ago, so since Friday, we've taken his blood pressure and it hasn't been that high again, like nowhere near that high again. It's been like 130 instead of 170, which is like not scarily high, because 170 is scarily high. So yeah, I don't know if it was just a funny reading, but it was done by the doctor, so I wouldn't have thought it was, but he's just been so stressed out and on the go and literally non-stop for ages, like over a month. There's just so much to do. There's always something to do here because of the lifestyle, and obviously we've got our 2 little kids as well. So when he comes home and I'm like needing a break, he takes over, so he doesn't really ever stop and wind down, and he's quite an energetic person anyway, and he doesn't take things slowly. That's just his personality. Anyway, so yes, I haven't vlogged for the last 2 days, I don't know what I'm gonna put up tomorrow because I'm gonna have to film something and edit it and get it uploaded somehow. And I don't know how that's gonna happen because obviously I've got to take Alex, I'm gonna drop him off to go and get all his tests done. Then I've got to go to the shop because we're out of everything with the 2 kids, pick him up, come back home, and then Alex is gonna go and collect Olive, just taking it easy, not as, he's not gonna work as hard as normal. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. Anyway, he's okay, he's fine, he's feeling a bit better. He still doesn't feel right, and he's a bit stressed out obviously now, which doesn't help because I think a lot of his blood pressure is going to be from stress and anxiety because he is a very he just gives everything 100%. So if he feels stressed out, he feels really stressed out, and if he feels happy, he's like really happy. And he's just had so much going on, like I said. He just hasn't taken a break and stopped. So anyway, yeah, I'm just blabbing now, but thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next video, whatever that may be. Good night, guys.